Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a bee on Dress to Impress. You are first of all going to color your skin tone yellow. I'm just going to save that color here. And then I'm just going to walk here to the socks. I'm just going to put them on. Heister socks, black and yellow. Why did I say red? Then we are going to need this skirt. Is it under codes? Yeah. And we are going to color it yellow and black. So the first one yellow and the rest black. Like so. Then for the outfit, we're going to get this cupcake outfit. And then I am going to color this one yellow. I think all of it yellow except for the sprinkles. Like that. And then after that, you're going to get, yes, you do need VIP for this, unfortunately. This like dress. Fur only, full fur, and you're going to color that black. Like for the stripes here, as you can see. Then for the head part, we're going to select this one, color it black, and then this, and we're going to color it yellow. Like so. And then we will need a few items from VIP. We are going to select this one, and we're going to color it all black. Then for the wings, use this one. And we're going to do the bigger toggle on it. I'm going to use this blue as the wings. Whoops. As well as this one. But we're going to select the animated toggle on it. Go to the post back, troll, and then belly flop. And voila. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.